if there are beliefs and memories attached to it, then the stories will keep repeating. You'll have the same stories, different characters, different timelines, but the story will repeat. And that's a proof that repetition of the stories is a proof that you're coming from a space of your past. You're attached to your beliefs and your memories. And that's a very eye-opening thing, right? That's how we opened up our eyes when we understood that we've been repeating the same stories, different characters, different timelines, but the same story again and again.